Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Phantom Wallet app and make sure it is updated to the latest version. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the homepage. Now, in order to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet, you will need another wallet as there is no such feature on Phantom Wallet. For the other wallet, I'm going to be using Binance. So just open the Binance app and tap on the Add Funds button at the top. Here, select Deposit Crypto, and then choose the crypto you would like to withdraw. In my case, I will choose Ethereum. After that, choose a network and then tap on the copy icon to copy the address code. Once done, get back to the Phantom Wallet and on the homepage, tap on this Send button. Inside it, select Ethereum, and then paste the address we just copied. Now, enter the amount of Ethereum you would like to withdraw, then tap on Next and complete the transaction. After the transaction is successful, get back to Binance, tap on the Binance icon at top left corner and select Convert from the menu. Now, tap on the From Currency and select Ethereum. After that, tap on the To Currency and then select USDT. Once done, enter the amount and tap on the Conversion button. Then, get back to the Binance menu, scroll down and access P2P. You can then get the seller that meets your requirements, and then the amount that sellers transferred will be received in the payment method you selected. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.